I guess all of you have already tried making a microwave chocolate cake. I know there are a lot of recipes out there on the website and YouTube, but most of what I found so far are all similar to one another. And I've tried two or three of them, and they all turn out to be rubbery and not like cake at all. So I've decided to come up with my own recipe. And after a few times of trial and errors, I can proudly say that this microwave chocolate cake is a success. Firstly we'll start with 4 tablespoons of flour. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we will put 2 tablespoons of sugar. And 1 tablespoon of cocoa butter. It's better if you sieve your cocoa butter if they have lumps inside, because if not, the lumps will get burnt when you microwave the mud cake. So I'll just put 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Then baking powder, we will need about half a teaspoon, so this 1/4 and another 1/4, so it's half a teaspoon of this baking powder. And then for enhancing of the flavor, we can just put like slightly a pinch of salt, not too salty, just a little bit. Okay, so now all the ingredients are inside already. Okay, use a fork. A fork is easier than a spoon. Just use your fork and mix the dry ingredients thoroughly. Can't really see, but just mix them thoroughly until the color is consistent, like no sudden white lump there or no sudden like cocoa lump there. So just basically mix everything so that everything is consistent already. Okay, when you think your dry ingredients has already been mixed thoroughly, now it's time to put our wet ingredients in. And the wet ingredients include 4 tablespoons of milk, and 1 tablespoon of oil, and if you have some vanilla essence lying around your house, you can just add maybe about 1/4 teaspoon into your mix. Or if you don't have, it's alright. It's not going to really affect the cake at all. Okay, so now all the wet ingredients are in. Just mix them again thoroughly until all the dry ingredients is mixed into the liquid. And be careful of at the corners of the cup. Try to tilt your cup down a bit and stir it. Make sure there's no any dry ingredient sticking to the corner, the bottom corner of the mug, or else they are going to get burned when you microwave the cake. So everything is inside. So you mix until the consistency is like this. See? Yeah, something like this. Okay, so now it's time to put it into the microwave. Okay. Don't waste any of the batter. Okay, so I'm not sure about your microwave, but for my microwave, I'm using this third power here. I think it's high, but I'm not really sure, so you can just try around with your microwave. So in it goes the mug cake. Okay, it goes. Not too long, just 1 minute will do. Okay, and then we'll just have to wait for it. I can smell the chocolate. Okay, it's going to be done soon. Let's wait for the thing. It's coming, it's coming. Yeah, it's done. Okay, let's look at our microwave chocolate cake. Okay, just make sure you don't burn yourself while you take out your mug. Okay, let's bring it to the front. So this will be what it looks like. The lighting is not very good, but it's like that. It's not really puffed up. Or either way, you can also do this. Use the knife to scrape down the side of the cup, and then you just find your way to take out the cake inside. See the cake? I mean, it's not hard or rubbery, and you see it has got this light texture to it. Okay, I'll just turn this over so you can see it. See the crumb. Okay, see the crumb is just like normal cake, and if you cut it, see how soft it is. It's so soft. See the crumb, see the crumb. See, it's just like normal cake that you bake in an oven. See? Well, you can just eat it straight from the cup also. You don't have to really get the cake out, but you can get the cake out like in one big piece, and you can like put an ice cream over, vanilla ice cream, and then some chocolate sauce or icing sugar. So that's it, the perfect microwave chocolate cake. Yay!